Hi, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? So what's going on this time, my friends? Digibyte price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing now. So there's really good news, my friend, from all of you. To Digibyte price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing, and I'm really excited to see this, my friend, because after a short dump, every coin will pumps up, but not like that. Absolutely, Digibyte from last dump, my friend, they will take a very huge jump now. So congratulations, all of you, to the price is increasing. And this time, my friend, as you can see here, the Digibyte, sorry my friend, the Digibyte price is pumping up, the change occurring last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 day, all change occurring is completely positive. So that's mean, my friend, to the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and second by second. Please, you will need, my friends, to hold now. If you are starting holding, so I'm 100% sure to DGB price will more increase now. So this time, my friends, you can see here distribution is 70.30%. Please try to understand to have a price will increasing. So that's mean, my friend, to holder are starting holding, holder are start selling, and that's mean, my friend, to price will pumps up. So thanks for watching. For every holder who have, my friend, invest now in this time, and absolutely, my friend, who have want to get a profit, just and only they are, especially long time investor, my friend, this all credit goes, my friends, to long time investor, because my brother, when they are hold, so definitely the price will pumps up, but if they are sell, so definitely their price will fails down. So therefore, my friend, after a dump, every coin will pump. So try to understand, my friend. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. See you next time, Digibyte holder. Please, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. This is very important for everyone, and my prediction is going positive. I hope in the upcoming days the price will increase now. So please hold it and don't starting selling. Allah Hafiz, take care.